Looking for the ultimate discreet sexting apps in 2025? You're not alone, as up to 88% of adults engage in this digital foreplay, but mainstream platforms like Instagram are cracking down, making secure communication more crucial than ever. With Meta wiping out accounts for even hinting at sexual expression, your spicy chats need a truly private home. Security expert Gary Orenstein stresses that privacy features like end-to-end encryption, disappearing messages, and screenshot detection are not optional, they're essential. This video reveals the top sexting apps that truly protect your intimate moments. Find links in the description to secure these apps today and ensure your private content stays private. Number 1. AdultFriendFinder, a reader favorite known for casual connections, offering a robust platform for flirty exchanges. Number 2. Tinder, a top pick for finding hookups, now evolving to facilitate more secure pre-meetup communication. Number 3. Hinge, a popular choice for regular meetups, enabling deeper connections and intimate sharing within its framework. Number 4. Snapchat, renowned for its disappearing messages, making it a go-to for ephemeral and private visual exchanges. Number 5. Telegram, a powerhouse for encrypted communications, featuring secret chats designed to leave no trace. Don't compromise your privacy in 2025. Choose these amazing sexting apps that keep your chats safe and truly discreet.